If you're wondering what the best credit cards are for 2024 and trying to navigate through all those bonuses and perks that they're offering you, we got you covered. It's 2024. Happy New Year, and New Year, new you, right? Well, unless you're carrying over credit card debt from 2023. And a lot of us are trying to clean up our finances in 2024, but we're doing it in the midst of the highest national balance of credit card debt. We're sitting at a record high of over $1 trillion. And right now, credit card interest rates sit at 21%. That is the highest recorded by the Federal Reserve in nearly 3 decades. So it's safe to say that Americans rely on credit cards. And credit card companies know it. They are competing for your businesses, offering you bonuses and perks, trying to get you to sign up. But it's sometimes hard to know whether those perks are worth it or which the best one is to choose. So we did the legwork for you with the help of WalletHub. And we came up with the 5 best credit cards for 2024, depending on what your situation is and what your finances are. So we'll save the best for last. But let's start at places 5 and 4. And both of those credit cards are going to be retail credit cards. There's no annual fee here, but they're only going to be good for you if you actually shop there. So sitting at number 5 is one of my personal favorites, the Target card, or as most of you know it, the Target card.
So this card has a 5% discount at Target and Target.com. It has a $50 initial bonus, which is awesome for a store card, and free 2-day shipping at Target.com. Solid choice.
Number 4 is the Kohls Card. And for this card, as well as the Target card, you only need fair credit to apply.
It offers a 0% APR for 15 months, 3% cash back on dining and at drugstores, 5% back on travel through Chase, and a 1.5% cash back on everything else. And there's also an automatic match of all your cash back earned in the first year.
Now for these next 3 credit cards, you will need better than fair credit to even qualify. Sitting at number 3 is the Chase Unlimited card.
It offers a 0% APR for 15 months, 3% cash back on dining and at drugstores, 5% back on travel through Chase, and a 1.5% cash back on everything else. And there's also an automatic match of all your cash back earned in the first year.
The next best card is the American Express Blue Preferred card. And this one is great for groceries because you get 6% back.
So it's actually, I believe, one of the best, if not the best, on the market for groceries right now. And it has been for a long time.
And it also, you know, we're spending more at the grocery store right now. Everybody is.
Yeah. And this one does have a limit of, I believe, $6,000 per year in purchases that you get that 6% back on. If you spend about $1,600 in groceries per year, you're going to break even with this card. It does have an annual fee. The first year is free, and it's $95 per year after that.
But there is a catch here. There's an annual fee. The first year you get it free. After that, it's $95 a year. But if you're spending a lot on groceries, it basically pays for itself. Now for that number 1 spot is the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. And this one is the best one of all because WalletHub says you get the same rate on cash back for any category you spend in. You're always getting 2% back no matter what you buy.
2% is a pretty good deal. And you also get a 0 annual fee, a 0% introductory APR for 15 months, and like I said, the 2% cash back deal. I like to have one of these flat rate cards in my wallet pretty much at all times for those cases because I'm not very good at remembering to activate rewards and stuff. That card also has a $200 cash rewards bonus after you spend $500 within 3 months, which is pretty easy to do if you put everything on your credit card.
There you have it. Those are the 5 best credit cards for 2024. Hopefully one of those works for you depending on your financial situation or which bonuses you prefer. Now, if you found this content helpful, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe. We'll see you next time.